Okay, so guys, welcome to another episode of Math. Yay! I got 2.3 today, solving multi-step equations, and this is just very similar to the stuff we've been doing all week. So hopefully it just builds on what we've been doing. Once again, first thing I want you to do before we start taking notes or anything, just try this little box here. Okay, see if you can figure out using techniques you already learned and everything. And if you can, that's great. If you can't, we'll go over it in class. Okay, so we're going to go to, if this thing would work, why isn't it working? There we go. Problem 1. Okay, so just like all the stuff we've been doing, we're going to combine like terms. Okay, and what that means is if you look at problem 1, what is the solution of 5 equals 5m minus 23 plus 2m? Okay, so we're going to get our variables together. Well, you might notice I've got an m here, but I also have an m here. Okay, so I can add my m's together. So this is going to be 5 equals, well, 5m plus 2m gives me 7m minus 23. Okay, now, just like we did yesterday, I have a variable on this side. Is it alone? No. So I want to add 23 to both sides. Add 23 to both sides. Okay, so then I get 28 equals 7m. Okay, what's the opposite of multiplying by 7? Dividing by 7. Divide by 7. And so I get that m equals 4. Okay, so this is once again the same exact stuff we've been doing. The only difference is there's just one step before it. Okay, so if we look at the got it, what is the solution to each equation? Okay, so if I look down here, first thing you want to do is identify your variables. So I have 11m and I have negative 6m. Okay, well, what's 11m minus 6m? That would give me 5m minus 8 equals 22. Okay, from there, I try to get m by itself. So I add 8, so I get 5m equals 30. Okay, what's the opposite of multiplying by 5? Dividing by 5, dividing by 5, and so m equals 6. Okay, so m equals 6. On my next problem, once again, identify your variables, negative 2y and 5y. Well, 5y minus 2y gives me 3y plus 5 equals 14. Okay, I'm going to subtract 5, so 3y equals 9. Okay, 3y equals 9. What's the opposite of multiplying by 3? Dividing by 3. So y equals 3. Okay, and guys, that's basically all we have to do. Okay, it's just taking what we've been doing and adding one more step to it. Okay, so turn your page over, and now the fun stuff. Problem 2, concert merchandise. Martha takes her niece and nephew to a concert. She buys t-shirts and bumper stickers for them. Okay, so we've got variables. So let's call t-shirts T. So that stands for t-shirts, and I cannot misspell this word. There we go, t-shirts. And then bumper stickers, let's call B, bumper stickers. Okay, the bumper stickers cost $1 each. Martha's niece wants one t-shirt, so one t-shirt plus 4 bumper stickers, B, okay, plus 4 bumper stickers, and her nephew wants 2 t-shirts, okay, and no bumper stickers. Okay, so once again, her niece wants 1 t-shirt and 4 bumper stickers, and her nephew wants 2 t-shirts. Marcia's total is $67. Okay, so now let's add our like terms together. So I've got 1 t, so I'm going to change my color here real quick. Okay, let's go out to this wonderful red color. Okay, I've got 1 t-shirt. Okay, and then I've got 4b and 2t. Okay, so I look at my t's. This should actually be red. Make that red. Okay, so I've got 1t plus 2t, which gives me 3t, okay, plus 4b equals 67, okay? So since both of these are t, I can add them together. Since I only have one b, I leave it alone, okay? Then the problem told me that bumper stickers cost $1. So instead of writing b, I'm going to write $1, okay? Because so these equal $1. So now I have 3t plus 4 times 1 equals 67, okay? So I have 3t plus, what's 4 times 1? 4 equals 67, okay? The opposite of adding 4 is subtracting 4. So subtract 4. So 3t equals $63, okay? Opposite of multiplying 3 is dividing by 3. Divide by 3. So t equals $21. Okay? And that's what it asks. What's the cost of one shirt? T for t-shirt is $21. Okay? And so guys, once again, hopefully you followed that. If not, go back, watch it again. And if you have a question, put a question mark on there. Okay? Let's go to number 2. Noah and Kate are shopping for new guitar strings at a music store. Noah buys 2 packs of strings. Kate buys 2 packs of strings and a music book. The book costs $60. The total is $72. So I've got guitar strings, so let's call that G equals guitar strings. That's a terrible S there. And new guitar strings and a music book. So M is music book. What in the world is going on here? And we know that equals $16. Okay, so Noah buys 2 packs, so 2 guitar strings, okay, plus Kate buys 2 guitar strings plus 1 music book, okay. Their total is 72, okay. So now we got to combine our like terms. So I have 2G and 2G, which gives me 4G plus 1 music book equals 72. Okay. From there, I go back and I remember, oh hey, my music book costs $16. Okay, so I have 4G plus 1 music book, so is $16. Okay, equals 72. I don't know what's going on, guys, but I can't even. 4G plus 16 equals 72. Okay, minus 16 equals 4G equals 56. Okay, divide by 4, divide by 4, and we get that G equals 56 divided by 4 is $14 a piece. Okay? So guitar strings are $14 a piece. Okay. So sorry for all those glitches and glamours and all that stuff, but I'm sure you'll be okay. Okay. Problem 4 we're going to do in class tomorrow. Okay. So problem 4, leave this blank. We will do it. If you want to try it, that's fine. If not, we're going to do this in class. I don't know what is going on with this writing here. Okay, but that was just awful. So we're going to go